Good morning, my dear children. Jai Hind. Welcome to English class. Today we will do the topic Whose is it? Before that, you want to enjoy the puppet show? Okay, so here is a puppet show for you. But first, meet the puppets. Yes, so we have Rohit, Geeta, and Rohan.
Hello, dear friends. I am Geeta. He is my brother Rohan. Hello. Hello, everyone. I am Rohit. I found this book outside the classroom. Is this book yours? Yes, that book is mine. It is my book. Its cover is new. See the ball. This ball is ours. Let's play with it. It is our ball. Our father gave us on Christmas. Beep beep, pom beep beep, pom. Such a nice toy car. Whose is it? It is mine. The car is his. It is his car. A cute puppy. Wow. Whose puppy is that? I think that is their puppy. Yes, I know. That puppy is of Reena and Meeta. That is theirs. Okay. Let's play together. We are going to play. Bye, friends. Bye.
I hope you have enjoyed the puppet show. Now let's see what we have learned from it. See the book. Is this book yours? This book is mine. It is my book. Its cover is new. That puppy is theirs. It is their puppy. Now see the car. The car is his. It is his car. Now see the ball. This ball is ours. It is our ball. Now children, look at these sentences. Is this book yours? This book is mine. The car is his. This ball is ours. That puppy is theirs. In these sentences, the words yours, mine, his, ours, theirs shows who or what owns something. They talk about the possession. They take the place of someone or something. They are pronouns. They stand alone. They take the place of nouns. Now look at these sentences. It is my book. That is their puppy. It is his car. It is our ball. Here, the words my, their, his, our need something or someone to talk about. They cannot stand alone. They come before the nouns. Now let's read some more sentences. Now see the hat. This hat is hers. It is her hat. Now see the gloves. These gloves are his. These are his gloves. Now see my pens. These pens are mine. These are my pens. Now let's revise once again. Now, see the table, children. Now, when something belongs to me, that is the first person singular, then we use mine. For example, whose bottle is it? It is my bottle. It is mine. Now, if something belongs to the person to whom you are talking to, that is the second person singular, then we use yours. For example, whose bottle is it? It is your bottle. It is yours. Now, similarly, if something belongs to third person, we use his or hers. Now, if something belongs to first person in plural form, then we use ours. If something belongs to second person plural, then we use yours. And if something belongs to the third person in plural form, then we use the word theirs. Okay, so these words mine, yours, his, hers, ours, yours, theirs, they are pronouns and they stand alone. And on the other side, words my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their, they come before the nouns. They cannot stand alone. So, practice this and I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you.